Welcome back, everybody. Look, we all know losing weight can be a struggle. It really can. And sometimes it feels like more of a mental game than anything else. Well, that's why my next guest has come up with a solution to end the struggle and help you reach your fitness goals. Please welcome my friend and the creator of the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse, my buddy, A.D. Dolphin.
Hey!
What's up, A.D.?
Man, feeling good.
So let me ask you, man, why do you think it is, A.D., that so many people struggle with losing weight?
When it comes down to losing weight, people think once they start working out that the weight is just gonna fall off of them, and it's simply not true. Look, you have to change your diet.
Yeah.
You gotta change your diet. So working out only represents about 20%. Changing your diet actually represents 80%. And the number one contributing factor to weight gain and rapid weight gain is sugar. It plays a huge role in weight gain, and people are so addicted to it.
Man, I can't even tell you how true that is. One of my best trainers told me, he said, Steve, you cannot out-train a bad diet.
There you go.
I don't care what you do. If you're not eating foods that your body can break down, you will never lose weight, and you can run all damn day.
Yep.
That's the truth of the matter. So what we're about to do is we're about to meet a single mom named Melody. Now, she says that Dherbs Full Body Cleanse didn't just help her lose weight, but it saved her life. She has lost over 50 pounds.
Wow.
Now, let's see what she looked like before. Good-looking lady. I see you, Melody. All right, Melody, come on out. She said, hey, Steve. Oh, wait, put that picture up again. Girl, you better be fabulous. Come on over here.
You look great.
Thank you.
For real. Y'all got to do better than that, for real. That's amazing right there. Melody, how do you feel?
I feel phenomenal, Steve. I feel phenomenal.
Wow. What's the most important thing that you learned about yourself through this whole weight loss journey?
The fact that I was actually addicted to food.
Wow.
You know, food was my everything. I ate food when I was happy. I ate food when I was sad. I ate food when I was mad. I ate food when you was mad because I wanted to eat. You know what I'm saying? And you know, it was just like food was my boyfriend. It was everything to me. So I just took food to just be my comfort because food didn't reject me.
That's the most unique way I've had it explained. I knew people use it as comfort food.
Right.
Because I do myself, you know? Now, before you started the cleanse, you had high blood pressure, you were pre-diabetic, but you just went to the doctor a few days ago. What did you learn?
Okay, I am no longer on any type of blood pressure medicine, and I'm no longer pre-diabetic, okay?
Really?
Really, Steve? Oh. Yeah.
How does it feel, AD, to hear that your cleanse has literally saved Melody from some serious medical conditions?
It's actually overwhelming. I mean, 15 years ago when we started Dherbs, you know, we thought it was just gonna be a business, but actually it became so much more than that. We've helped change people's diet. We've helped people overcome from, you know, medical issues. It's been truly a blessing, and it's been my goal to share this information with everybody and with as many people as possible.
Yeah, see, here, what I want you to do, man, kind of remind people of the benefits of doing this Dherbs Full Body Cleanse.
Well, first of all, me and Melanie kind of talked about this, and what it is that a lot of times when people aren't having sweetness in life, they look for sweetness wherever they can. And the sweetness usually is that plate. Like she mentioned before, that plate becomes your boyfriend, your girlfriend, that relationship, the reason why you're not accomplishing those goals. And the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse can help break you of that food addiction that's going on. And when you break yourself of that food addiction, what you will realize that weight loss is possible.
Oh my God.
She's living proof of that.
It's been such, not just cleansing, like just cleaning your system, but just cleaning me as a person.
Congratulations to you, Melody. Thanks again to my buddy AD. Hey, look, check this out now. Dherbs is offering Steve viewers, all of you out there today, 10% off the full body cleanse today. All you got to do is head over to dherbs.com, type in Steve TV at the checkout, get yourself a discount. Enjoy yourself. Change your life, everybody. We'll be back.